Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your speaker EDIFIER D32 to your device with a cable. And all you need to have for this is just mini jack 3.5 to mini jack 3.5 cable, what you receive in the package. And of course your device should have aux port. So connect mini jack cable to this port, and then at the back side of the speaker we have also aux port. So connect this cable right at this port on your speaker. After that we need to turn on the speaker. So press and hold power button. I already turn on it by mistake, so let me turn off it. Now you need to press and hold this power button until you will see the LED light. Then make sure that this LED light is green. So if you have another color, blue, red or white, you need to press one time at the power button to change sound mode. So press, now we have white, then blue, press again, and we have the green one. And now you can use it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!